Yeah. Oh, you want to go on a mile? We might do the mile. Do you ever want to do the mile?
Lazy mile?
Yeah.
Sure. Get Roby. Or better yet, get Dave.
Oh.
You guys know Dave?
Looks familiar, but
Yeah,
oh.
yeah. Chuck and Dave and Joe and Dave.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's a racer.
Oh. No, we won't be racing there. Hey, do you want to go down a mile?
Sure. All right.
And then down the.
We'll get Roby this time.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, because now I think we'll just ski now. But if we. All right. Hey Joe, the mile. You gonna be able to do the falls after? Or you want to go through the S turn?
I won't be able to go here. You know what? The falls suck. I'm not going to do the falls.
Oh.
Came down them. Yeah, they'll be fine for you.
Yeah. So what do you do if you go down the mile? Which way do you go then?
I'm going down the little turn off to the floor. Lower.
Oh, okay. And then turn. We can do that. Let's do that. Yeah, let's do that. That's fine.
Hey, how you doing?
All right. Okay. All right. All right. Okay, Joe. We'll do the mile and go to the double. Yeah, and then you don't have to do the doubles. Then you turn. See, that's race strategy. He goes towards the doubles, and then he makes that sharp turn, and then goes back towards the.
What do you do? Are you getting on the?
Yeah, we can do that. No, we'll go down to the bottom.
Okay.
Yeah. But yeah, I like the mile. I mean, I might stop. I don't know. You probably keep going, but I stop before it turns down there. And wait for Joe, I guess, but you can keep going.
The right turn, you stop at the right turn?
Yeah, well, like from here to where that guy's in the red coat, somewhere like there, before it starts turning, you know, so. But no, you can keep going. You know, we might have to stop for them if you want to. Yeah, just keep going. Sorry about that.
That's okay.
You don't want to get any snow on your skis. No, I usually stop somewhere and look. I do this so somebody can get my skis on the top. Sorry about
that guy was just pointing at me as I went by.
I was hoping I was getting.
You're saying that's not what you do, or maybe you're saying that's what you do.
Oh my gosh, there was ski patrol attending to somebody that had an injury. They had the guy's boots off, looking at his foot, I guess. I don't know. Maybe it was swelling. He says, get it off, get it off. Now what do you do? You know?
Ain't getting back on.
Well, I didn't know what was going on, so I think I sprayed him, but I felt bad. I walked back up and said, I'm sorry, but you know what? Come to think of it, I hear putting ice on it is probably the best thing to do.
So
and the guy goes, just get
Here he comes. Here he comes.
And we'll follow him. Or he might stop. Well, he's gonna stop. Okay.
Okay, we're following you.
We're following you.
No rest for you. Go. We're following you.
No rest for the wicked. If I can get both of them in the shot. Alrighty, that was pretty good.
There's nobody going. That's the other thing.
Right. What's that? Yeah, sure. We can chat.